And this is what I mean when the ceilings are really low down here. I'm 6'1", so a little button on my hat's almost touching. Is it worth it? That's what we're here in Jefferson today to try to find out. This home right behind me is listed at $574. They had a $15,000 price drop. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home, 1536 square feet, and it has been on the market for 147 days. Buyers are on their way. I got here a little bit early. If you can see the storm in the background, it was a wet ride to get here. So let's take a tour of this thing and see, is it worth it? We have a all brick rambler with a little bit of siding on the side over there. Roof looks to be in good shape. All the windows look newer and or painted. This was probably a carport at one point. We got the propane, so we know there's gas here. Great backyard, flat. Got the old clothesline, little fire pit area, nice shed, semi-fenced. The well is back over there. Good deck off the back. And they even have a back door on the garage, which is really nice. And looks like we have a walkout as well. I love this overhang over everything. Looks really nice. They did not rebuild the home deck, but they put a good stain on it, it looks like. See if we can find an age on this thing. $25, it looks like, or 17. Not sure which. Maybe it'll tell us on the inside. But it looks to be in great shape. I'm a leaning 25. I like the outside so far. Let's go check the inside. This is pretty. I bet it's a flip. From the garage, we got a slider out back to the deck. Beautiful kitchen. New cabinets, counters, floors, appliances. And a front room. Looks like the original wood floors. Windows have definitely been updated. Good choice in colorings. And full bath. Beautiful tire work. I love that niche and how big it is. Get the mirror with the backlighting. Nice vanity. Bedrooms, we'll start over here. We got a ceiling fan, no light, but they already have can lights, that's why. Very small, but typical for the age. Bedroom 2, good space, lots of natural light. And the master. Master bath. Really like this tile. And vanity, dual sinks. This main level looks awesome. I wonder what the basement looks like. Well, this basement's certainly not creepy. Very low ceilings though. Almost hitting my head. And I am 6'1". Great bar area. Little floor drain. The fridge, the wet bar. Great use of space. There's to your walkout. And we got another full bath down here. Another big niche. Beautiful design work. And back here, our mechanical room. We got a water heater that looks like it is from '04. A pressure tank. '07 or 11, I think. Oh, 10, there we go. Makes my life easier. Sediment filter that needed to be changed a while ago. What else is down here? Washer and dryer. Here's the panel. Definitely been updated on the panel. And looks like a lot of new wiring up there, which is always nice to see. And our HVAC. There's an actual age, no. And that's either '03 or 26, I think. Looks really new, so I'm gonna lean towards 26. Got extra paints, little storage. See if there's anything else down here. And this is what I mean when the ceilings are really low down here. I'm 6'1", so a little button on my hat's almost touching. Lots of tile. Look at this fancy thing here. Cool built-in electric fireplace. And what do we have over here? Another room. It's got a window and a closet, so I don't know if that's a full egress window. I'm not sure if it's an official bedroom. Could be a great office space. And over here, either an office or guest space here. Sounds like my buyers just got here, so we're gonna go say hello and take them around the house and see, is it worth it?